Dear learners, good morning. How are you? I hope you are very well at home. You know, the world is suffering much from COVID-19. We are also suffering much, especially you because you are a student of class 8 and you are going to sit for the JSC examination this year. So your study has been greatly hampered. Thinking for you, the teachers of Kaligunj High School has arranged online class. I hope you will take part in this online class and you will be benefited. Today, I will teach you the very important thing, that is transformation of sentences. You know, in English examination, the question number 11, there is transformation. If you take part in this class, you will be able to answer this question. Today, I want to teach you how to make affirmative to negative and how to make negative to affirmative. At first, we have to know what is transformation of sentences. Be carefully, you will listen it. What is transformation of sentences? When the meaning of sentence is not changed, but the structure of sentence is changed, is called transformation of sentences. I again tell it to you, when the meaning of sentence is not changed, but the structure of the sentence is changed, is called transformation of sentences. Today, as I want to teach you how to make affirmative to negative, so at first you have to know what is affirmative sentence and what is negative sentence. Affirmative sentence is one which makes positive statement. Affirmative sentence means positive statement, and negative sentence means negative statement. If you want to make affirmative to negative, you have to follow some rules. If you know these rules, you will be able to I will be able to change affirmative to negative. Dear students, listen to me. If there is only in affirmative sentence, non-verb to be used instead of only. If it indicates God, Allah, and person. I again say, if only or alone indicates God, Allah, and person, non-verb will be used instead of only and alone. For example, only Allah saves us. Only Allah saves us and only indicates Allah. So only will be changed into non-verb. Okay, so only has been changed into non-verb. Only has been changed into non-verb. If only, if only indicates things. If only indicates thing, nothing but will be used instead of only. For example, I need only a book. Negative, I need nothing but a book. As only indicates a book. Book is a thing. Book is a thing. So I have used nothing but instead of only. Instead of only. If only indicates a number. If only indicates a number, not more than or not less than will be used instead of only. For example, you are only 10. You are only 10. Only indicates 10. 10 means a number. So only will be changed into not more than or not less than. Negative কি হবে? You are not more than 10. We can also use not less than. So we have used not more than instead of, we have used not more than instead of only. Dear learners, if there are must, can, have to in affirmative sentences, we can use can. If there are can, must, have to in affirmative sentence, cannot but will be used instead of can, must, have to. I again tell it, if there are can, must, have to in affirmative sentence cannot but will be used instead of can, have to, must. For example, we must obey our parents. We must obey our parents. There is a must in this sentence. None but cannot but will be used instead of must. We cannot but obey our so cannot but has been used instead of must. Cannot but has been used instead of must. Dear learners, if there are both and or and in affirmative sentence, if there are both and or and in affirmative sentence, not only but also will be used instead of both and or and. For example, both Rana and Roni got A plus. Both Rana and Roni got A plus. We see that both and. So, not only but also will be used instead of both and. Instead of both and. Negative. Not only Rana but also Roni got A plus. So we have used not only, we have used not only but also instead of both and. Dear learners, if there is SS in affirmative sentence, we can use not less or than instead of SS. For example, he is as handsome as his father. Negative. He is not less handsome than his father. We have used not less instead of past tense, and we have used then. Instead of second tense. So if you follow it, it will be very easy for you. So if you see SS in affirmative sentence, you will use not less instead of past tense, and you will also use to then instead of second tense. Dear learners, if there is sometimes in affirmative sentence, we can use not always instead of sometimes. For example, the poor are sometimes happy. The poor are sometimes happy. Sometimes we will use not always instead of sometimes. Instead of sometimes. Negative, the poor are not always. The poor are not always happy. So, not always has been used instead of sometimes. Dear students, if there is as soon as in affirmative sentence, we can use no sooner had instead of as soon as, and the verb of the affirmative sentence will be changed into past participle, and we also use then from before main clause. Before main clause. For example, as soon as the teacher entered the classroom, the students stood up. The students stood up. No sooner had will be used. No sooner had will be used as soon as, and the verb of the affirmative sentence entered will be past participle, and we will use then before main clause. For example, negative. No sooner had the teacher entered the classroom, then the students stood up. So we have used no sooner had instead of as soon as, and the verb of the affirmative sentence entered has been past participle entered, and we have used then before main clause. Dear students, if there is every in affirmative sentence, no will be used instead of every, and positive verbs will be negative verbs. Positive verbs will be negative verbs. I again said, if there is every in affirmative sentence, no will be used instead of every, and positive verbs will be negative verbs. Suppose everybody loves a patriot. Nobody hates a patriot. We have used no instead of every, and positive verbs loves has been negative verb hate. Connotation. There is students, if there is always in affirmative sentence, never will be used instead of always, and positive words will be negative words. I again tell it, if there is always in affirmative sentence, never will be used instead of always, and positive words will be negative words. For example, Allah is always kind to us. Allah is always kind to us. So, never will be used instead of always, and positive or kind will be negative words. Negative. Allah is not. Allah is never. Allah is never unkind to us. So, always has been never, and kind has been unkind. Dear students, you know there are some universal true sentences. If you want to make negative from affirmative, we have to make negative interrogative from affirmative sentence. Suppose health is wealth. Health is wealth. it is an universal truth sentence, and we have to make negative interrogative if you want to make it negative. Isn't health well? Commentation. The learners, I want to finish now. If you follow these rules, I think you will be able to answer the question number 11 in the JSC English exam. So you will follow and you will practice it at home. I want to give you homework. Today I have taught you affirmative to negative, but you have to, if you use these opposite rules that I taught you, you will make it affirmative from negative. So you will practice it. That's quite a simple. Now I want to give you home task. Home task you will practice it at home. That's point. Thank you, learners. You will practice it at home. Thank you.